Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the best wet-dry vacuum in the market for this year. DEWALT DCV581H Wet-Dry Vacuum. This vacuum offers the option for use as either a corded or cordless vacuum. To turn it to a cordless vacuum, users can purchase a charger and a battery which is sold separately. In addition to the flexibility of the integrated hose, it is crush resistant which makes it easy to use and also very durable. It has a filter area which is easy to access, wash, and reuse. Simply run water through the filter to rinse out dirt. The onboard storage provides an easy transport feature. An issue which affects users has to do with the air outlet blowing out dirt. AllAround AA255 Wet-Dry Vacuum. The wet-dry vacuum feature of this vacuum makes it suitable for cleaning both dry, debris, or dirt and liquids. This is great to have for cleaning and liquid spills in your car. It is lightweight and portable. There is an automatic shut-off feature which powers off the vacuum as soon as the 2.5-gallon polypropylene tank is full. 5 different tools are available for cleaning various areas such as a blower tool, crevice tool, brush, and more. A downside of this vacuum is the lack of a car connector. Vacmaster VBV1210 Wet-Dry Vacuum. This vacuum includes 8 attachments like a crevice tool for cleaning upholstery, 2 extension wands to prevent users from bending or stretching, a blower attachment, and more. It is easy to convert this vacuum into a blower with a blowing speed of 210 miles per hour. The 12-gallon capacity of the vacuum tank can store water, waste, and dust. 4 360-degree casters are available for moving the vacuum easily. There is a cartridge filter in place which is suitable for cleaning dry debris, while a foam filter is also available for a liquid cleaning option. Having a tank with a 12-gallon capacity makes storage difficult.